Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix failures in the application Snapchat. That is, what to do if you have it hangs and does not work. I'll show you how to fix it. Please subscribe to the channel and watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. If your Snapchat when you go, it crashes and doesn't work. In order to fix it, we need to go to Settings. That's the first way. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here we find Apps. Then we open Manage Apps. It'll load up like this. And then in the search box at the top, we need to write Snapchat. And find this app. Find it. Click Storage. And the first thing we need to do to get it to work is clear cache. Click Clear Cache and OK. Then go to Snapchat. Maybe this will work and it will work. If not, then you will need to clear both data and cache. You clear both. What you can also do is go to Google Play Market and try to update the Snapchat app itself. You may have had an older version and it is no longer supported, so you just need to go in and update. If this method didn't work, you can uninstall the Snapchat app, and after that re-download it on your phone. And the very last method. Try to just turn off your phone or just reboot your phone and then turn it back on. And I think one of these methods will definitely help you. If you liked and helped my video and you managed to fix the error to get your Snapchat working, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you later. Goodbye.